Initial environmental evaluation is when you study the potential impacts you meet in the environment. Screening simply is to decide which projects require EIA and which one does not require what? EIA. Scoping, where you describe the extent of work to be done and the professionals you need to do the work and the volume of resources required. The baseline studies is where you gather information and data on the condition of the environment before the project commences. Criteria for screening. Screening is when you decide whether a project requires EIA or not. Criteria for screening. There are 6 criteria for making a screening decision. 6 criteria for making a screening decision. 1 is magnitude. 2 is prevalence. 3 is importance. 4 is duration and frequency. 5 is risks. And 6 is mitigation. Let's take them one by one. Magnitude. When you talk of magnitude, you are talking of the extent of the impact. How big, how extensive the impact is in terms of number of people it will affect. Then prevalence. How common is the impact? How common is the what? Impact. Importance is what is the value people attach to that what? Impact. You know, some areas are said to be environmentally what? Sensitive areas, but people attach a lot of importance to any impact in the area. The 4th one is duration and frequency. Is the impact on long term or on short term? That is it. Then risks. Are there potential negative environmental impacts? Then mitigation. These impacts, do they have a solution? Is there anything that can be done to resolve the impact? These are the criteria to use in what? Screening. And that takes us to scoping. Scoping simply is to find out the extent of work that should be done in carrying out the EIA. Which experts will be brought in, what funds are required, what institutions should be brought in to monitor the impacts, and also prefer mitigational solutions. That is when you do what? Do scoping. In baseline studies, take all the experts to the field. You want to build an airport in this IMT environment? Fine. You map out the area. What are those living organisms that are going to be affected? What are those plants that are going to be uprooted? You keep a record of all of them, so that by the time you put the project, you now know what was destroyed at the beginning of the onset and the mitigations that you provide. That will also help you to know whether the solutions you are providing, whether it will solve those problems. These 4 areas is what we call the pre-study what? Phase. Our next lecture will now look at the study phase itself. Thank you and God bless you. Please. Thank you and God bless you. If you like our lectures, click the red subscribe button and see you in our next lecture when we go deeper in what we need to know in the environmental impact assessment.